pig farmers and pig lovers. Welcome back to Edovasal Pig Farm. I'm at the farm. This is still part of the trend on the Imafo Waterside Port Harcourt farm visitation. So I'm at the farm at the moment. The farm is located at Borguma, if I got that correct. That's after Tombia, after the waterline. So they have a poultry section, fish section, and pig section. But I'm here for the pig section. So behind me is the poultry side. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is still part of the fish. So this is the kind of fish pond they are using. Then over there is the pig. At Borguma, if I got it right, Borguma, this is still the poultry area. This is the fish, then the pig section. That's the pig section, and that's why I came to see what's going on and how far they are going and where we can help them. Also supply some of our products to them. Okay. All right. These bananas are awesome. The owner they close. I would like buy the pikin na church. Person go do. All right. So we'll be going inside. Let me start my work. Remember, if you need anything at Edovasal, you can check through the product catalog and touch to this video, and we'll get it to you. Till then, keep farming right and stay blessed.